Now we'll go to single pointed focus. What is single pointed focus? How to learn deep focus and achieve any goal of life. That is single pointed focus. Okay. Focus is most valuable asset in the world. Whatever you focus on will grow. Okay. A point of concentration. What is it? It is direct attention, distinction from the previous experience, distinction from the previous experience, concentrating effectively on our subject, blocking out distractions, inhibitions. All these are distracting. Like point of focus is concentration is where you are focusing. When you want to do deep research, don't change your goal. Change the ways to reach that goal. Flexible, adjust be flexible to the way to approaching it. Have one goal. Once you decide, never